Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create item tax type. So let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create item tax type, let's talk about the purpose of this. So the purpose of this is to classify products or services based on their tax treatment, simplify tax management, and ensuring accurate tax calculations and reporting. So this categorization helps businesses comply with tax regulations and reduce error and tax processing. So first, accessing back office. So you go into the back office. So we're ready here in back office. So you can log in your username and your password. So type the username and your password. So click this login and go to the setup. So locate this item tag type. So click this. So we're ready here in item tag type. So I will discuss all about of this. So this description, which means a brief description or name for the item tag types, helping users identify its purpose or characteristic. So this is fully tax exempt. So you can select yes or no option, like yes or no, then indicating whether items categorized under these tax types are completely exempt from taxes. So you can put this description. So like, for example, non-VAT, then it's fully tax exempt. So click this yes, because non-VAT. So you can click this add new. So as you can see, the new item taxes type has been added. So this non-VAT and the tax exempt yes. So you can put a check in active or inactive. Then take note, select which taxes this item tax is exempt from. A selection allowing user to specify taxes from which items under this tax type are exempt. This could include options such as VAT, sales tax, or other applicable taxes depending on the tax regulation. So you can click this update button after you've added or made any changes. So this is how to process on item tag types.